Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. So after 2 years, we have finally come full circle from cruising being shut down to almost back to cruising normal that we have right now. And the next big step, or the next big change, is that the CDC has officially dropped their warning against cruise travel from their website. So no longer is cruising level 4, no longer is cruising level 3, or even down to level 2. Instead, now they just have a couple of cruising recommendations on there, and we're going to take a look at those. So now it says, check the cruise line requirements for testing or vaccination, get travel insurance, if traveling by air, check airline requirements, and wear a well-fitting mask on planes, buses, trains, and other forms of public transportation. Like I said, a big change from just a little over 2 years ago when the CDC shut down cruising altogether. And like I said, now they've dropped their warning against cruising altogether. And of course, since the CDC made a change, we also have a response from CLIA. Today's decision by the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention to altogether remove the travel health notice for cruising recognizes the effective public health measures in place on cruise ships and begins to level the playing field between cruises and similarly situated venues on land for the first time since March of 2020. From the onset of the pandemic, CLIA's cruise line members have prioritized the health and safety of their guests, crew, and communities they visit, and are sailing today with health measures in place that are unmatched by virtually any other commercial setting. So it is a really good thing that the CDC now recognizes that cruise lines, are not requiring a travel warning any longer. Look, they've got health and safety measures in place. They are doing what they have to do to keep passengers and the crew and the destinations that they visit as safe as they possibly can. And I'm sure everybody else has probably noticed that it sure seems like COVID is being talked about less and less in the news every day. It's almost like it just kind of is slowly disappearing, at least in public forums. You know, there's not daily COVID news stories, at least not like there used to be. And of course, that's just a good thing for cruising. So I just wanted to share that story with you all today, let you know that even the CDC no longer believes that cruising is a bad way to travel. All right, I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor, hit that like button, have yourself a great day, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas.